Now, this here is going down to 1,000 acres. We did another video, we were talking about 1,000 acres. And this is trails going down there to the beach on the Sandy River. So, it's quite pretty. I remember this log. This log has been here forever. Tinkerbell, quit tangling me up. She's really excited. Here we go. Here we go. There she is. There's the Sandy River. I used to float down this. None of these houses over there were here back in the day. And there's the railroad trestle that my brother's friend died on. Right there. Let's see. I used to go swimming in this river all the time when I was younger, high school. Get that. Sandy River. We used to catch crawdads in here. Not as many in here as we did in the Clackamas River. Now that there is the car bridge. We went across that. Isn't it pretty? Yep, this is in Troutdale, Oregon. If you go down Halsey, follow it all the way down, it'll go to that bridge over there. That bridge. And we went across that and took a left. And then there's a place you can park your rig and cross the street and then come down here. This used to just be all Tinkerbell, you're wrapping me all up. This used to just be all, she's wrapping me all up, Tinkerbell is. Yeah, Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Huh? You're not even paying attention to me. She's ignoring us. Yes, she is. Tinkerbell. 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 Hey. Hey. Tinkerbell, look. She doesn't even want to be on camera. Look at her. She just doesn't even know what she wants. Tinkerbell. Are you even going to look at me? You act like you can't hear. Well, I'm going to go find a place to sit down. Let's find a rock we can sit on, like maybe this one right here. I think I can sit on that one. Let's see. Okay. It's moving. It's moving. Sandy River. And that's Tinkerbell. And this rock isn't going to work because it's too wobbly. So I'm going to get up if I can. Tinkerbell, hold on. Way too wobbly. I'm getting old. It's getting hard for me to get off those little rocks. Well, I just wanted to show you guys 1,000 acres where we used to have kegers and stuff. And that's the railroad trestle right there. Natalie and I were over there yesterday, or day before, I mean. Okay. Alright. Please like and subscribe. This is just a quick little video for showing you the 1,000 acres. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I really would like to get to 1,000 so I could have some money to do more traveling. But we're doing okay so far. We're having fun. That's what it's all about. That's why we're doing it. For your entertainment and my entertainment. Thank you. Bye.